Delicious homemade tuna fish paneer butter masala rice recipe, easy and quick. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a culinary adventure in store for you, a mouth-watering fusion of flavors that will transport you straight to food paradise. Get ready to embark on a journey of taste with our homemade tuna fish paneer butter masala rice. It's a dish that's not only easy to make but also guaranteed to satisfy your cravings. So, without further ado, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Before we dive into the magic, make sure you've gathered all the essentials listed in the description below. Now, let's turn these humble ingredients into a symphony of flavors. Step 1. Cooking rice. Our culinary adventure begins with the heart of our dish, the rice. Choose your favorite variety, follow the instructions on the packet, and let it cook to perfection. We're aiming for light, fluffy grains that will perfectly complement the rich flavors to come. Step 2. Sautéing aromatics. While the rice is doing its thing, let's infuse our kitchen with the irresistible aroma of sautéed onions, cumin seeds, and ginger garlic paste. This aromatic trio forms the flavorful base that will elevate our dish to new heights. Step 3. Adding spices. Now, it's time to spice things up. We're talking red chili powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala. These spices will not only add a kick but also layer our dish with warmth and complexity. Take a moment to savor the fragrance, it's the beginning of something extraordinary. Step 4. Tomato puree. Into the pan goes the velvety tomato puree. Watch as it transforms the spices into a luscious, vibrant sauce. Allow it to simmer and let the flavors mingle until that distinctive raw tomato smell gives way to an enticing richness. Step 5. Paneer and tuna. Now, let's introduce our stars, the paneer cubes and tuna fish. The paneer, with its creamy texture, and the tuna, with its oceanic goodness, create a unique combination that's both comforting and indulgent. Gently fold them into the sauce, ensuring every piece is coated in the flavor-packed mixture. Step 6. Bell peppers. For a burst of color and a delightful crunch, add in the diced bell peppers. Stir everything together, and let the symphony of colors and textures play on. Step 7. Combining with rice. Now, the moment of truth, bring in the cooked rice and let the magic unfold. Mix it gently, allowing each grain to soak up the goodness of the paneer, tuna, and the aromatic tomato sauce. It's a harmonious blend that promises a feast for the senses. Step 8. Garnish and serve. To put the finishing touch, sprinkle a handful of fresh coriander on top. This not only adds a burst of freshness but also ties the dish together with a vibrant green flourish. Our homemade tuna fish paneer butter masala rice is now a masterpiece ready to be savored. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to show some love, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious creation from us. Got any thoughts or requests? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of amazing flavors. Thank you very much tuna fish paneer butter masala rice lovers.